Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O. Pardon me, I know the angle might look crazy. That's because for some reason my tripod, the screw in my tripod isn't acting right, so I have to get a new one. But I got a package I pick up from Supreme and Champions collab. So let's get to it. Tear this joker open. Yeah. Get to the business. As you can see here, got the Supreme bag. You know what I'm saying? So, Supreme bag, Supreme pickup. Oh, usually they put, yeah, they got the stickers. The Supreme stickers as usual. You know what I'm saying? I had a few of them. I don't know what I did with them. I don't do anything. I don't put them on my computer or nothing like that. They just sit. Oh, I had some. I actually mailed them off. A guy asked me for them. He sent me a message, sent me his address, and I got them. So if somebody want them, you got it. Here we go. As you can see, got the Champions logo on front. Let's get this bag open. Let's get this big boy open. Yeah, I had to get this one. I know I got a jacket. I got the Rapalite Supreme jacket. Look basically like this. It's a satin starter, but this is a Champions. So this is the Supreme Champions jacket. You know what I'm saying? So check that out if you guys can see. I don't know about the angles, like I say, because my tripod is acting crazy, but here we go on the front. Then on the back, it has the Supreme. It has Champion logos all over it. Has Champion logos all on the arms of it. This joint is hard. Then of course it has a sewn in hoodie, because it is a hoodie. It has a sewn in hoodie into it, as you can see here. It's sewn into the jacket. Retail was $218 plus $10 the shipping, so it came out to $228. But this is nice. I rock with this. This is a pretty nice jacket. Just wanted to show you guys right quick. I honestly was nervous. I didn't think I was going to be able to hit on that drop. But a lot of people were going for the Cat in the Hat collab. So I had actually no problem getting this jacket. I got right in and checked right out. So shout out to Supreme for the easy pickup on the app. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't really see anything in the pipeline coming that I want. I got the early reserve for those 8s. I didn't want them. I didn't get them. So that's probably it. It'll probably be a minute. I got to see what else is on the pipeline. I don't know if you guys saw, but they had the Jordan 8, the 12, the all red Jordan 12s is supposed to be the Black Friday release. I'm gonna pass on those, not for me. Or I'll say it'll be a game time decision. I have to see them in person to determine if I want them or not. But for right now, yeah, that's about it. I think a Yeezy come out on the 27th, those black ones, but I don't know. Kanye been too strange for me, so I don't know. I actually copped a pair of 700s, and then they came in yesterday. I was gonna do a video yesterday, and I saw him do the video at the White House. I sent them back. So that's the end of that. I went on and sold those immediately. So go ahead and hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the video, man. And that's about it. I'm about to pack up. I got a little trip to make, because I got to work overtime, mandatory OT. So until the next release, you guys be cool.